scared of the night, always wanting the fright of your life. Oh baby, can't you see the monster screamed in your dreams? Monster, darling, while you're scared of sleep at night. Oh, to tell you that remember of your life. No, baby, just your feet, the monster made of mine.
So straight in with this one today, guys. We've just come across this abandoned house. We are trying to look for a way inside at the minute. We are keeping in the dark because there's neighbours over there with 2 dogs. But it is clearly abandoned. I'm out with URBEX Uncovered, Romeo Explores and Suzanne. Thought that could have been a possibility then. We do have some cars back here. I'll go check out. Wow. Quite collection as well. Unbelievable. Jaguar. Hyundai. Do you have some caravans as well? What we got here? A Rover. See if we can get in. Seems, yeah, that's secure. Toyota. Got cobwebs as well, yeah.
We said we've packed the cars up and never left.
Yeah. We're seeing it. Yeah. It seems. That's been screwed on. But if we can make out, guys, it's absolutely collapsed. Round at the other caravan. Seems pretty sealed. That way. Oh, that side. Oh, another car. Probably hidden there, isn't it? Almost looks like either a Morris or a Beetle. Looking at the shape of it. We managed to find a way into this barn and check these out. Obviously I'm just at the back at the minute.
This is amazing, this one. Absolutely.
I got all parts in the back of this. Incredible.
This one.
Quite a tight gap, but you see if we can get in. Oh yeah. But I'll give you a little look, guys, inside. Yeah, locked.
This is a classic. What is it? Yeah, see, I think it's 1967 actually. That one. Eraser. Is the tax on it? What date's the tax?
63.
63.
Private.
So it's 60 years old.
Wondering.
60.
That looks like it's been covered, hasn't it? And a bit of tape. It's got like the wings.
Yeah.
In a V shape.
Oh,
Yeah. It's unbelievable find. I don't even know if there's anything over there.
Well, I was thinking, can we, you know, where we can control the what?
So just in this other part of the barn. That's other car here, sorry. I can't really show it you much. It's quite cramped in here. So obviously been sitting for years. And just even look at building. Absolute sad. So at any moment all this could just fall down like we've seen with the other cars in the past that we've viewed. So there we go, guys. What an amazing find that was. Them old classic cars in that barn. If you know any of the names for the cars, do let us know in the comments. Unfortunately we couldn't get into the house. Apparently a light came on, so we kind of just got out of there. But nevertheless, we took you for a look around, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more content. We'll catch you on next. Peace out.